Let's go to vehicle 1059. All paths from source lead to destination. For this question, it gives us a graph, and the age is this is a directed graph, which have the start, which have the source like a start and end. So this one return true if only all of the roads from the source leads to destination. So we'll say for this question, right? So we have example one. The source have two routes. One is from 0 to 1, right? This one ends and it didn't go to destination, so this return false. And the second one is that there is a cycle. And the third one, right? There are two paths. Both goes to destination, so it return true. So for this question, what we're thinking about is that we can also use DFS related to the array to iterate those kind of paths. So we will have private volume DFS. Of course, we need to have the path for it, and also for current node and destination, right? So we'll say if we for this kind of determination of the DFS is that if the graph does not have any charts, right? So then we'll compare for this node with, for example, the node 1 does not have any charts. We compare for this one whether it is destination. If it is not destination, that means this will return false. And another is that if there is a graph, right, any kind of a cycle will also return false. So we talk about how to use the array to detect circle. First thing we need to do is that we need to have a map, right? Compose from the edges to map. Someone like to use, for example, list, right? List just have an index as a map. It is fine, but just put on like this as graph because you have so for every ages for every ages we have its charts. Okay? Ages that have graph utility accents age 0. It goes to new array list. Add page 1. So we know we need to pass this kind of graph in it. And there are n nodes. As we talk about, we can use this kind of visited array. It's new n1. So let's say 0 means not visited. 1 means visiting, right? Visiting the first time it entered this node. 2 means visited, that is already backtrack. So we need to have current node. And let's pass in your destination because we want to compare if it reaches the destination. Of course, we need to have the the array. So we just return because we already talk about the source, right? If for this question, if we don't have source parameter, right, it should just ask whether this graph every route will lead to destination. Right? In that case, we just need to have for loop, just like the path schedule, course schedule, right? Just a for loop. If it's VT equals to 0, then DFS, right? So here, already give us the source, so we just need to have DFS map graph on the source destination and the relation. So the termination condition is that if this graph doesn't contain this key, right? That means this is a place we cannot go anywhere else. Current. Then we need to return current equals explanation. Yeah. And also here, we want to see this kind of related. If related equals 1, there is a circle equals true, we'll do something, right? We'll write this logic here. And before we do it's child, right? So we'll have related current equals 1. And for the child in graph with graph. So we'll say if any of the routes does not lead to the destination, then we'll return false, right? So if any, so this one return lead if we true or false, right? For true, but we lead to destination. All of the roads, all roads from current leads to destination. False is that if any of that does not lead, any doesn't lead to right. Of course, from source, from current. So let's say if any of the child doesn't lead to, that means this current will not lead to, right? So we'll say if DFS graph child destination derivative, then we just return false. After we're doing this, we set this related current equals 2 and return true. That means we iterate every route. There is no false. Then that means we can lead to destination. So the thing is that here, let's say if related current equals 2, that means if this one goes to 2, then if the only case it goes to do is that you can lead to destination. We just return true. And I will say if related current equals to 1, this means there is a circle in it, right? So if there is a circle, we return false. So this is the way we do this question.